Prestissima here. Today, we're going to learn a fun new duet called Heart and Soul. So, let's get started. So first, we're going to start with the melody side of the duet, and we're going to play with our right hand. So, let's find the first C above middle C, and we're going to play with our number 3 finger, right here. And we're going to play it 3 times. Okay, then the next part starts on the same note, and then it goes down, and then it comes back up with these 3 fingers. Ready? So it goes three times. 1, 2, 3. And then starting here. And then you're going to keep going up. And play this one 3 times. But we're going to switch over from our number 5 finger to our number 3 finger. So let's start again. It's going to start on this note, and we're going to play it 3 times. And then starting here, we're going to go down and then back up to this note, which we're going to end up playing with our 5 finger, but then we're going to switch to our number 3 finger. So I'll show you. Starting at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, and then going down. And then switch. Excellent. Can we do that much again? Let's start at the beginning, right here. You switch over. One more time. Don't forget to switch that pinky finger over to your 3rd finger. Okay, you got it? Let's keep going. So now we have our 3rd finger here. And then we're going to go down again. So play this again. And going down in kind of that same pattern. So kind of like what we did here, but up here, right? So again. Okay. Let's try it from the beginning again. So from here, remember we started on the first C above middle C, and we're going to play with number 3 finger. So 3 times. And then again going down and up. Switch your finger. Down and up again. All right, we're halfway there. Okay, so after we do this section, with your first finger, your thumb, you're gonna play the C again. So let's play that again. Okay, and now the next part, from here, you jump up with your number 5 finger, the pinky finger, and you're gonna play this next white key, and then just play all the notes down. And here, you're gonna swing this number 3 finger so that we're starting in the same place again. Got that? So let's try that last section again from right here with our number 3 finger. And then jump up here. And swing that finger. Excellent. That's actually the whole pattern. Let's try the whole thing from the beginning. Ready? So remember, we start on the first C above middle C with our number 3 finger. Here we go. 3 times, down and up. 3 times, down and up. Jump up here. Swing the finger over. Great job, everyone! For those of you who are learning the note names on the keyboard as well, I'm going to play it one time and say all the names of the keys as we play. Ready? So we're going to start this first C above middle C, and we're going to play with our number 3 finger. And we'll go really slowly. C, 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 B, A, B, C, D, E, 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 D, C, D, E, F, G, C, A, G, F, E, D, C. So now when you get to the end of this little melody, after A, G, F, E, D, C, you can just play the melody over again. So I'll play it twice in a row for you so you can see how it goes if I just repeat. So I would start here. And then repeat. And then you can just repeat it as many times as you want. Another way you can play this song is, instead of immediately repeating the melody again, you can add a little turnaround, like this. And then go into the melody there. And so on. So let's try it. I'm going to play the melody twice, and this time I'm going to add that little turnaround in between. Ready? Here we go. So, starting in the same place with our third finger. Okay, so now we're going to learn the lower part, or the accompaniment of the duet, okay? And this part takes both hands, so I'm going to teach you the left hand first. In the left hand, we're going to play a total of 4 notes, and we're going to start here on this first C, below middle C. We're going to play with our number 1 finger, our thumb. There you go. And then with our number 3 finger, we're going to play the A right below it. And then third note, we're going to play the D. And then with our third finger again, we're going to play G. And that's it. So, left hand, starting on this C below middle C, C, and then A, and then D, and G. Try again. C, A, D, G. Keep going. C, A, D, G. One more time. C, A, D, G. Good job. Here's a variation that you can play also. You're going to play C, A, and then instead of D, you're going to play down here with your number 5 finger, your pinky finger, you're going to play this F, and then come up to G. Try that again. So you have C, A, F, G. So you can just kind of mix that up. Instead of playing, you could play C, A, D, G, or you could play C, A, F, G, or you can mix and match them and play whatever you like. Now we're going to learn the right hand of the accompaniment. There are 4 chords we're going to learn, and we're going to start with C major. So, our thumb, our number 1 finger, goes on the E there. Our index finger, the number 2 finger, goes on G, and the number 5 finger, the pinky finger, goes on C. Okay, we'll play that again. That's E, G, C. Now the second chord is A minor, so it's a small change. All we do is change from this finger, from the G, use our third finger and play the A. So we have E, A, C. Can we do that much? Let's try C major. All right, got that. And then A minor, just switch over. C major, A minor, C major, A minor. All right, ready to move on. Now, the next one is F major. All you're gonna do is move this thumb over to the F. F major, you have F, A, and C. Okay, so let's try that much again. We're C major, E, G, and C, right? And then A minor, just switch this one over. And then F major, bring the thumb over. All right, we already have 3 chords. Now what is the 4th chord? This is G7. So we have F, G with our number 2 finger, and then using our number 4 finger, the ring finger, we're going to play B. Okay, so let's go from F major. Where was that? So let's find F again. It's F, A, C, right? And then we go to G7. We have F, G, and B. Right? So F major, F, A, C, and then G7, F, G, B. F major, G7, F major, G7. Good. Okay. Can we put all 4 of those chords together? Let's try. So where was C major? Remember down here starting with the E. Here we go. Here's C major. And then 1 finger over to A minor. And then this number 1 finger over to F major. Oh, and then G7. Excellent. Let's do it again. C major. A minor. F major. G7. One more time. C major. A minor. F major. G7. Good. Ooh, I think we might be ready to put the 2 hands together. When we put the 2 hands together, we're just going to go ahead and play the left hand and the right hand at the same time for now. And just don't worry about the rhythm, okay? So first we had C major, right? So you know where we are? Remember all these notes that we learned? Okay, so we'll start with the first one, and we're going to do C major. And then we had A minor, and then F major, and then we had G7. Let's try it again. We had C major, and then we had A minor, and then F major, and then G7. All right, can we do a little bit faster maybe? Starting with C major, A minor, F major, G7, C major, A minor, F major, G7. Okay, good job everyone. Do you remember when I said there was an alternative version for this left hand? Remember it was C, A, F, G. Now we can play these same right hand chords with this bass. So let's try it. We have C major. We're going to play the same right hand chord. And then A minor. Just switch this. And then instead of going up here, we're going to play the F. We're going to play F major. And then up here to the G and G7. Try it again. C major, A minor, F major, G7. One more time. C major, A minor, F major, G7. Okay, looking good everyone. This chord progression that we're learning is a really popular one. It's called a 1-6-4-5 progression. It's also known as a 1-6-2-5 progression sometimes. In C major, when you play C major chord, that's the 1 chord. And then A minor here, that's the 6th chord. And then if you play F major, that's the 4 chord. And then G here, that's 5-7. Now, if you were to play C major, that will be the 1 chord. And then A minor, that's the 6th chord. And if you come up to the D here instead of the F, that actually makes it the 2 chord. And then down here again, and that makes it G7, 5-7. Now we add the rhythm, okay, to this accompaniment part. So we already know all the left hand and the chords. We're going to play the left hand twice and the right hand twice. And we're going to play it with a little bit of a swing rhythm. Get it? And then we're going to do the same thing with the A. Remember the A major? Or A minor, I'm sorry. And then we're going to play the F major. And then the G7. And then we just keep repeating. And I'll go really slow so you can follow along, okay? So C major, A minor, F major, G7, C major, A minor, F major, G7. Let's do it again. We have C major, A minor, F major or D minor, and then G7. C major, A minor, F major or D minor, and then G7. Now that we've learned both sides of the duet and we've practiced, it's time to grab yourself an extra pair of hands. So let's go get somebody. You can grab your mom or your dad or your brother or your sister or your grandma or your grandpa or your aunt or your uncle or your neighbor or your very, 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 very good friend. I'm going to ask my best friend Presto to come play with me. Let's go. Welcome, Presto. I'm going to play up here on this side and you play the accompaniment down there, okay? And Presto might add a couple of variations for you to check out. All right, let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And don't forget to thank all your friends for coming out to play with you today. So today we learned a fun new duet called Heart and Soul. Remember, you can add as much style and pizzazz as you want and make it fit your own personality. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have other duets available like Chopsticks and the Knuckle Song. I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Prestissima out.